Okay, let's go. We can get through. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mama Circus here. Today we are going to Aldi and getting some groceries, and I'm going to take you along for our trip. We are starting off strong in the produce department. I love Aldi's produce. It lasts so long and is always fresh and amazing prices. Of course, their chocolate chip cookies are to die for. And I have to get their creamer. Creamer is such a good deal at Aldi's. This meat and cheese snack is delicious and it's good for you and keeps you full feeling without making you feel weighed down. And of course, I got to get some jugs of water for Miss Jolene. Grabbed 2 racks of ribs. They were a pretty good deal. And then I also got these little holiday pretzels, and this cheese Greek spiral pie looked really good, so we are going to try that. Their waffles are comparable to Eggo, so we're going to get those. And those puff pastry bites are amazing. Bummed that Aldi's does not sell formula anymore because I really wanted to try theirs, but that's okay. They have other amazing baby products. Also grabbed some Ziploc bags as I needed those. Bananas. I've been into making banana pancakes lately. Then I got some teas for my hubby's lunches. This Twilight Daycare Advent Calendar was on sale for $6.24. The kids absolutely loved all the little toys that came in it. So cute.
Oh, money? I get some money.
Okay, guys, now we are home and it is time to tackle this fridge. Get rid of all the old leftovers, anything expired, just get it all cleaned up. I got these wonderful crocodile multi-purpose wipes from Menards. Those things work awesome. So we're just going to use those to wipe our fridge down today. Question for you guys, where do you start when cleaning out your fridge? I always feel so overwhelmed when I open my fridge up to clean it out. It's like I just don't know where to begin. Lately, when I clean my fridge, I start with the doors and get rid of anything in the sides, because then I feel like the clutter that has went towards the shelves, I can now move to the side doors, if that makes any sense. I don't know. It's just my method. And so far, I feel like it's been working pretty well. Like I said, yeah, I just like to start with the doors, get all the old stuff out, make room. Then I like to take the stuff off the shelves and then, you know, one by one, boom, 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 and then I get it all put away. But yeah, that's just mine. And I was just wondering if, you know, maybe anybody has any tips out there to organize and clean your fridge. Maybe there's something I'm doing that could be done more effectively. I'm always open for constructive criticism. So yeah, I don't know. Just throw it in the comments, you guys. I'd love to hear from you. I always keep a garbage bag next to me when I am cleaning out my fridge, because I always find something either expired or old leftovers, something that has to be dumped out, and so forth. I am stocking up the snacks. I usually clean my fridge out every couple of weeks. I probably should clean it out more often, but with the busyness of life, it's just not something I get to all the time. How often do you guys clean your fridge out? Yeah. I ended up having to throw out a whole bag of grapes. I hate wasting food right now. Well, at any time in general, but especially now when everything is so expensive. I especially cringe at the thought of having to throw away wasted food, but have to do it because it's not like it's edible anymore. But it is sad that our prices of groceries are up so high right now, and I can only hope that this all eventually changes. The inflation is literally so bad. Anyways, enough of that depressing talk. I am wiping down the drawers and putting down some fresh paper towels to line the drawers, and then putting my apples and produce in the drawers on top of the fresh paper towel. I just feel like it helps keep my produce fresher for longer. Does anybody else do that? I really think it does make a difference, you guys. You should definitely try that. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me while I grocery shopped and cleaned out my fridge today. It always feels so good seeing the end result and everything looking so clean and tidy. If you guys, like I said, have any tips or tricks, post them in the comments below. I would love to see them. And I just used those Gorilla wipes to clean my fridge out, and they worked amazing. Here I am getting some strawberries cleaned. But yeah, if you guys could please like, comment, and subscribe, I would appreciate it. And most of all, have a blessed day. Bye.